So I got my carburetor for my little 196 out there. Let's open the box here and see what we got. You see it's taped up. I have not even opened it. Trying to do this one-handed like all the other YouTubers. Nope, they taped it all the way around here. I so need a tripod. I'm gonna buy me a tripod. This is ridiculous. But at least you know. At least you know. It wasn't pre-opened. I have not seen it. Put my eyeballs on so I can see. That would probably help. Alexa, what are my notifications? So, fuel line. Alexa, what are my notifications?
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. For Brian, 2 shipments have arrived, including Dick 1 sponge.
So there she is. So in the box, there's a choke lever. There are 2 filters, and there's the fuel line. And then the carburetor itself is in a bag. Oh, I see. So this has a little keeper already on the choke lever. I think. No, the choke lever's up there. So this is the on-off. So essentially, this is an identical carburetor in every way to the one that's on it. Might even be the same manufacturer, I don't know. But hey, this one actually works. It's not all gummy and cruddy. Such a tiny little thing. I'm so used to working on V8s, race engines. This is such a tiny, tiny little carburetor. So small. But I don't care, as long as it works. Anyway, catch you later. It did come with the gaskets. I wasn't sure. I didn't see them in the box at first, but they're there. They were slid down the side of the box. Let's see if I can show it. They were slid down in the side of the box, right in there. So this kit does come with the gaskets, 2 fuel filters, and the fuel line. Okay, so there it is with the choke lever installed. It is, like I said, identical to the one that's on it, on the 196. There's a tiny little hole right there where the fuel comes out. That is a mirror polish inside this carburetor. I'm actually impressed. Not used to seeing that. There's the brand name, Jinglong. I'm not even going to guess what that might mean. But anyway, there's a little update on it with the choke lever on, because you got to have when you put the performance kit on. It's got that little arm that holds that down so it doesn't get lost. Because then, you know, then you choke when you stay open. That little arm goes like that. But I'm kind of excited about it. I want to get it running. I'm not holding out much hope for the little 196, but you never know. I got it. I got the. I have the carburetor, so I'll have to make me up a fuel bottle because I don't trust that tank. But I did get 2 fuel filters. Later.